Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we remove and add background in CapCut PC. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. So all we need, of course, we can deal with like chroma key, but what if we have like natural video like this and we need to remove background from this video? It's not like chroma key, so we have the solution. In order to show this process, I created this project which contains from 4 different videos, and I will remove the background from this. So all we need is just to choose it on our timeline here, and then just find the right top window and go to video and cutout. So we have 2 options here, chroma key and auto cutout. We need to use the auto cutout option. As you can see, it only supports auto recognition of portraits, so just click on it. And as you can see, the background was successfully like changed from like nature background to this background, but a little bit earlier I added this background. So to do this, we need to go to basic, also choose it on our timeline here, go to basic, scroll down, and then just choose the necessary style, for example, and choose it right up here. So we can change the, let it be like this, for example. Also looks interesting. But we can also add like not styles, so we can change from styles to blur, for example, to like color. So now it may look a little bit more interesting maybe, but it will change to none. We can also like move our our video to the line which is higher, and now it will look like this. So we edit our person to the video background. Sometimes it will be also helpful. So this is a way of how can we use the remove background and add background features in CapCut PC. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Goodbye.